All right, hey guys, it's Curbs again. Wes, I'm gonna make this one stitchable, I promise. So what I'm doing, I'm getting ready to log on to sam.gov, the same thing Wes teaches. I'm not gonna teach you how to search it. That's Wes's thing. What I am gonna teach you how to do is look for the pass-through clause and provisions that we talk about. It's technically a clause provision. I say provisions and clauses so that way people understand the difference. So I'm going to log into sam.gov. I'm going to search one that I found earlier and talk about it. And I'm going to show you why not all pass-throughs apply to everybody. Okay, so here I am on sam.gov. I found this one earlier, so I'm going to show you that it's still there. I'm going to search it. This is one that I was looking for. Okay, so updated combined synopsis and solicitation. Okay, so we know this is a commercial item. They want demountable wall installation. Too easy. So then so here I'll click it. I'll show you guys what I had done. Man, that's the country accent coming out in me. Right? So right here, I'm in here clicking, look at the revisions. There's the SAL. These are all the floor plans. I don't even know about the floor plans. I'm not trying to do this work. I'm just showing you some other things. So then I get in here to this combined synopsis and solicitation. All right. So we talked about limitations of subcontracting earlier. We are wondering if that limitations in subcontracting is applicable to our solicitation. What's the number? 219-14. Oh, I'm going to search it. I have 3 items that came up -19. So let's look. There's a -6, -28. Oh, look, and that is the only 2 that are in there. -6 and -28. Notice of total small business side. Okay. When I searched this, and this is one of the documents that I got inside of this list, it's basically telling me that that is not an applicable clause for the solicitation. Ding, 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 ding. This means it is not applicable to this contract. If